what would the legal definition of incident be?
That question was the center of arguments at the state Supreme Court. A jury awarded David Meehan $38 million for abuse he experienced at the former Youth Development Center. But the Attorney General's office says state law caps it at $475,000.
The amount's not in dispute. There was an award of $38 million. If there's going to be an appeal, there's going to be an appeal.
That appeal process started today in front of the justices. Meehan's attorneys say jurors didn't understand the form. A juror previously told News 9 they meant to award Meehan the full amount.
Based on the $38 million verdict, we would only have needed to find 80 incidents in order to sustain that verdict.
The state argued jurors only marked one incident of abuse on the jury form. That means, they say, what happened to Meehan counts as a single claim.
Every case is factually different in what the incident may be in any one case with respect to a plaintiff is not necessarily the same incident in another.
Now, that definition of an incident will decide if Meehan will get the $38 million.
Looked at through the lens of what the claims are. The claims are negligent management claims against DHHS. They are not claims for rape. They are not claims for physical assault.
The state's argument that hundreds of rapes equate to a single incident, such a construction disregards the humanity of the individual victim.
Now, the case is under review as of now. There's no word on how long it will take the justices to come to a final decision. Live in Concord, John Schoenheider, WMUR News 9.